Good morning, emergency shoppers. I'm Adam with 911 Reviews, and we have a great review for you today. All right, so this came in the mail for me. Actually, a set of two different products from Rampow. Rampow! It is a case, it is a holder for your cell phone. Works great for maybe Facetime. It works great if you have your case on or off. And it really does a great job of holding your phone. So I've been using it for a little bit of time now, and I do have some notes that I want to kind of share with you. And I'm looking over here on my laptop for reference. Okay, first off, very nice, unique. These hooks really hold your phone very well. I'll see if I can get that up close. And there's silicone at the base to really grip onto your phone to make sure you're not going to lose it. It really does stay on there pretty good, right? It's scratch-free, non-slip. Rubber pad on the bottom as well. That way you're not messing up your desk, your table, that sort of thing. So this stays very sturdy. It's not going to slide. And I'm pushing it with pretty, it's not going to slide. It's a tailored design, precision cut aluminum, and quality construction. It also has broad compatibility, so whether you're working with this is my old iPhone 6S, whether it's a larger case, whether it's an iPhone 10, it's a Galaxy, it's whatever, LG, Google Nexus, Kindle, that sort of thing. You could even put your iPad probably on here, particularly sideways and watch a movie. Now the thing that I like about it, like this does just happen to fit really well for my car, just happens to. But what I like about this is like if you're going to FaceTime somebody, you can imagine, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the camera here, that you can do a pretty easy video back and forth with your friends, right? So that works out very nice. The rubber pads do provide pretty good protection. There's a pad on the back as well to keep it in place. It's a great hands-free companion. The sled shape really does work well. And another thing I'll note is that it is really, really designed not to bend. Look at that. Like you can tell, I'm not faking it there. It's a very sturdy aluminum design. You can see that it does come in two different colors if you like the silver or the black. So overall, a very good quality product. And it resists scuffing and scratching. Let's see if I can get that close for you. Pretty straightforward, right? But you can imagine how many times you'd be sitting there in bed playing a video game, whatever, or at your desk. If you're at your desk at work, this would be perfect, right? Set it right here, allow it to charge with the cables. Very straightforward, easy to use, smart design, good price. I'll put a link in the description below, but it's something that you can use all day, every day. And this is one of those products that's kind of built to last. A lot of times I get things to review and they're great, but they're going to last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. This one for sure is going to last a significant amount of time. So once again, unique design, the hollow hooks, slip-free, scratch-free, non-slip, tailored design, broad compatibility. It does have a lifetime warranty. I did forget to mention that. Rampow has an unconditional lifetime warranty, and they're willing to work with you if you have any concerns. The rubber pads on the bottom and whatnot help keep the table from scratching, keeps your device in place. It really does help out with hands-free. You can even set your phone up, call someone, put them on speakerphone, and then just talk to them and not have to worry about holding onto your phone. So that's a bonus as well. In fact, I can imagine setting this in front of me and doing product review videos just like that, right? So anyway, folks, it's well designed. You can throw your earphones, you can throw your cables, your cords, that sort of thing, run them out the back. Straightforward and easy to use. If you'd like to pick one up, we do get a referral from the Amazon link below, so go ahead and use the Amazon link below. We would absolutely appreciate it. Make sure to click subscribe if you want to see the newest tech gadgets and toys. We have a lot of them coming out, seemingly more than one every day lately. So click that subscribe button, click like, and click the bell for notifications. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from 911Reviews.com. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911Reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.